Morning to one and all. I am Monica. I am studying 6th class. Now I am explain about the germination of a seed. My dear friends, do you know how does the baby grow in the mother's womb? Now I will explain about the growth of a baby in the mother's womb. Let us try to understand this. During the first month, ovulation takes place. The most mature egg is released from the ovary, meets the stem, and fertilization takes place. During the second month, by the end of this month, baby is known as fetus. Baby facial organs like mouth, tongue, nose, ears starts to develop. During the third month, baby fully formed. By the end of third month, baby muscles and skin also form. During the fourth month, baby nervous system starting to function. Eyelashes, eyebrows, and nails are formed. Internal organs are started to form. During the fifth month, baby able to taste. During the sixth month, baby able to taste all the flavors. Baby skin is red in color. Baby responds to loud noises. During the seventh month, baby will respond to external sounds and lights. During the eighth month, baby brain is developing rapidly. Almost all organs and body parts are developed except the lungs. During the ninth month, baby may arrive during any time during this month. Like the way the mother protects her baby in her womb, similarly, soil also protects the seeds. Let us learn the germination of seed. When the seed is sown in soil, it absorbs water and nutrients from the soil. The seed takes in sunlight, water, and begins to sprout. After 2 or 3 days, the young root radical and bent shoot female come out of the seed. At this stage is called seedling. A seed may have 1 or 2 seed leaves called cotyledons. The young plant develops tiny leaves and makes its own food. The root grows downwards and fixes seedling to the soil. The shoot grows upwards in search of air and sunlight. The shoot bears leaves, birds, flowers, fruits, etc. Happiness held in the seed, but happiness shared in the plant.
We are celebrating our birthdays in great manner. That day we remember to sow a plant for the future generation. Each one teach one and plant one. Plant a tree and get oxygen for free. Thank you. Have a nice day.